So today we're doing another hike. We've got a bit unlucky with the weather again. It's also very foggy, like the Pico de Rivo one, but we can actually see a little bit more. I think the main reason for that is because we're a bit lower down. We're about 1,100 meters at the moment, and the Pico de Rivo at the top, we're at 1,800. So yeah, a little bit warmer, a little bit less foggy. This hike is about 10 kilometers and it's going to take around 4 hours. So it's a lot of walking, but at the end of the hike, basically the end point is a big waterfall. It's about 100 meters, the drop from the top to the bottom of the waterfall. It's called the Risco Waterfall, and I mean, I've seen pictures, it looks pretty incredible. So yeah, I'll show you guys once I get there. If I get there, I'll get there. But yeah, it's beautiful. It's unlike the one on Pico de Rivo, where you're just walking up a mountain. This one, we're actually sort of walking through woodlands, a forest. It's very green. I want to try separate from these people in front of me because they're quite slow, and I'm fast, boy. I'm fast as fuck, boy. It's actually not really raining at all, so taking the hood off, showing the England rugby hat. Come on! One thing that I've noticed is these trees are crazy. If you can imagine like a haunted forest, this is the type of tree you see. They're really bendy, they're covered in moss, they're all black. I don't know how well it will come up on the camera, but yeah, this is sort of downhill. So you can see really far down without interruption. And yeah, look at these trees. They're sort of like, see what I mean? They're mossy and they're sort of black. But yeah, creepy as. Right, so I need a pee, so I'm going to go a little bit off trail so someone doesn't come across me peeing. I found this little ramp that goes up there into the trees. It also says that we're 2 kilometers away from where we're heading. So yeah, let's get up here. Success. I've also now realized we're in the creepy woods. Ooh. Oh, back on the trail. Let's go. Okay, we're now on the path that takes us directly to the 25 fountains, well, the big waterfall. So let's keep walking. I think this is now the longest part of the hike. It's about an hour from here. But yeah, the paths have got smaller. We're definitely getting into more of the woodland. It's beautiful, really, really beautiful. And you know, the fog doesn't matter too much because the fact we're in a forest, we can't see the mountains anyway. It's just the rain that's a little bit annoying. I like that boulder. It's got something about him. Man, I love this moss on the trees. It looks so sick. Some kind of bluebell. Lovely. I hear the waterfall. It must be near. Oh my god, actually, I see part of it. What? That is insane. Look at that. So I think that's the top of the waterfall. And then it leads down there somewhere into like a bigger one. Whoa, that's sick. The mist makes it look cooler, definitely, I think. Cool tree. Okay, I can really hear the waterfall now. You can probably hear it on my microphone. I'm sure you can hear that. But yeah, I think it's literally just down there. I mean, I'm starting to see the water now. So look at this path we're going down. It's sick as. Looks like a lot of these drainage systems for the mountain are actually artificial. It's sort of like canals in a way. I guess that's just to stop flooding and wash off and landslides. But yeah, it's cool. They've got like a whole sort of stream going. You could sail a boat down here. You know, when you like drop a paper boat in a stream. Look. They've had that pretty much the whole way down as well. Okay, we're now on the one-way path, and I think that's because the path gets really thin now, really skinny. So, holy shit, yeah, it does. The water looks really clear, maybe even drinkable. If I see a stream, I'll drink from it. Only half a kilometre left. Woohoo! Ooh, I can definitely hear the waterfall now. I think we're here. There's lots of mini ones around me. Look at this one. Okay, we're here. It's very loud and it's quite busy, but it is beautiful. Oh my God. I really want to get in the water, but one, it's cold. Two, everyone's going to judge me, and I don't think you're allowed. So, wow, look at this. Good place to sit down and eat some crisps, I think. I'm hungry. Let's give it a little sip. Kind of tastes like ice. You know when you melt ice and then you drink it and it's got kind of that weird flavour? That's what it tastes like. It's good. Might fill up my bottle. Good. Got a few leaves in it, but apart from that, it's yummy. Right, I think it's time to go and move to the next spot. Beautiful though. Gonna be sad leaving it. All right, let's go. It's a lot of steps. Pure uphill. We're in those creepy woods that I was telling you about. Sick. There's a path that goes straight through them. Can't go that way. It was a long walk, it's taken a while, a lot longer than I thought, and now the way back to the cafe is all uphill because the way here was all downhill. So yeah, it's stairs like this for the next, God knows, 5k. Wish me luck. So the sun's finally come out and it is beautiful. God, I wish it was sunny this whole time, but wow, everything's just gone from grey to green. It is lovely. I'm almost back at the coach to take me back into Funchal. A bit late actually, I've got to get there in 15 minutes and got about 10 minutes to do so. So I should probably get moving, but I just wanted to show you this because it is amazing. Beautiful. So guys, that is the end of the video. I'm almost back at the coach, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching and you liked what you saw enough to come and hike here. If you do come and hike here, I hope you guys have an amazing hike and enjoy the views as much as I did. But thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.